Sorry, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to 7 Super Kids. So today I have a very special guest, my best friend, Lila. So today we got a package. The packaging kind of sucks.
Yes, it sucks.
But like, I mean, like, it's an old Valentine's Day box. Like, you can see it too. It says Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, why would someone send a Valentine's Day box?
Valentine's Day box?
And look, poop emoji, poop emoji.
But don't get me wrong, it's cute. But
Yeah.
I just think the poop emoji doesn't really match the theme.
It's
like elegant.
overdue.
Like, y'all can already see what's sticking out. So we're gonna we're gonna start off with the Squishies. There's no note in there, so it's here.
Here's the elusive bunny squishy.
So we have a bunny squishy.
Bun.
It's dirty,
Yeah,
and it's
this is like a ripoff.
freaking defected.
It's a ripoff, guys. Don't buy from this person.
Her name was Awesome Squishy Seller 2 _22.
22650.
But it's really nice. Don't get me wrong, but
Doors.
if I had to rate that, I give it like a 3
Yeah,
out of 10.
I'd give it a 3.5
So-
stars for cuteness.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I ordered a guitar squishy.
and look what they gave us.
It's filled in and it's got like chunks missing from it.
Yeah,
Like,
not.
It's like
It's not
stiff.
quality.
It's not even like a squishy. I've seen these in Walmart.
Okay, so this is
It's
dirty.
so freaking stiff.
This is dirty and it's ripped, but it's freaking adorable. The elusive seal.
Oh yeah, there's like nail polish there and there's like nail polish on the tail and it's been ripped.
What
But-
else is there?
It has a lot less. This is like nicer
Oh,
than
jeez.
this is nicer than the bunny.
I think she also used this.
Oh, these are extras down at the
Yeah,
bottom.
we did not ask
This is
for
a Lucky Charms flavored lip balm. It has not been used, and you can tell if it's been used. It has not been used.
Yeah, what if she used
Oh my
it?
god!
But what if she used it? What if she used it?
Tastes like Lucky
and-
Charms.
What if she used it and
Use your
it
finger.
still looks?
Let me see your finger.
No.
I'm gonna put some on there, and you're gonna taste it. I know you want some. Yeah, I know you will. It's Lucky Charms. I know you will. Eat it. Tastes like Lucky Charms.
Yes,
right?
it does. And I learned
Ooh! Makeup cream. Ultra Repair Cream. Here, take out another one.
the last two is a ball.
Hold on. So this, like, if you say you get like some eyeshadow like down here, like all the way down here, or like you mess up on your contour, I guess all you do is like you take this
And you rub it where you don't want it to be.
and like you rub it where you don't want that like mess up to be, and then like you rub it in really good, and then it dried. It dried. That's so cool.
I
So-
think there is no explanation needed for this.
I ordered a jumbo squishy panda bun, and I have all my other squishies, but this I
And I
think is my
think-
panda bun.
And I think
gosh! Do not touch my
and I think
nipple.
Marley would like this one the best of all. Hey Marley, look at this.
Yes! Get out! Sorry, we're filming outside. Stupid little brothers.
Yeah.
But this
We're not
is like
stupid.
a 0. It's dirty too. I would have accepted it if it was clean, but no.
Marley
No.
loves this one.
Oh yay! It's a nude color. I love nude colors. It's matte too. I can tell.
Look at
I can
it.
tell when something's
Look at
matte.
it. Put it up the screen. Look at
I
it.
can tell that it's matte. That's a really
But
good
if you
color.
ever buy anything from this person, give them-
expect what you're seeing right
expect
now.
what,
Yes,
you see.
I'm living for this color. Well, guys, we have something to tell you. It's a spoof.
Yeah, we lied the whole time.
Yeah, so
These are squishies Marley bought. Marley
These are-
bought a long time ago.
like I know y'all are probably going to be in the comments, like a bunch of haters going to be in the comments. It was so obvious it's fake, blah, blah, blah.
And
Well,
this
hey.
guitar, she obviously ripped it up and
Yes,
colored it.
actually my friend gave this to me. Like, I was like, can I use this for my fake squishy video? She was like, yeah, sure. But it's like really stiff, kind of like a squishy though.
Yeah. So,
I have used this. It's like
thanks
huge.
for watching. I gotta leave soon.
Thanks for watching. Sorry this was a short video. But please
About
comment.
like 5 minutes.
I think. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget I am doing a squishy giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away these squishies, but they're not going to have any defects. So do not forget to enter in the giveaway. Yeah! Yeah, what he said. Okay.